back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is about my hair wash routine and what I do. I'm just gonna be going briefly over what I use and what I do after I wash my hair, and how I basically do everything within 1 hour, having long locks. It's nothing fancy or special, but you know, I just wanted to let you guys know, since I haven't done a video on my hair in a long time, what I do, especially how it's super long now. If you guys like more videos like this, don't forget to click that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Yes, I am talking to you. You've seen a lot of my videos and you're checking me out. Yes, subscribe, okay? So basically what I do with my hair is I go into the shower and I use this shampoo, and this is by Medina Shea Butter shampoo plus conditioner. It does the work for my hair. It leaves my hair feeling very soft, and I absolutely love this shampoo, especially the smell. I love the smell. Every time I wash my hair, I just have this sweet aroma of shea butter just following me everywhere I go. I don't apply it directly on my hair. I used to do that, but not anymore. I realized in doing that I'm wasting product, so I just put it out in my hand. I make sure that my hair is wet. That's the trick to it all, so that when you apply the shampoo, it starts to lather immediately. So I start with the front of my hair, and then I work my way to the back of my hair, and then I do it vice versa because I wash it two times. Right. And as I'm doing this, I actually work my way down, starting from the root all the way down to the ends of my hair. Now once I'm done with washing my hair, I pat dry. I used to squeeze and wring out my hair, and that's a no-no. You can damage your hair doing that. I've seen it, trust me. Once you kind of pat dry your hair a little bit, while it's still wet, this is what I put in my hair. Let's see if this can zoom on in. This is Cream of Nature Pure Honey Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. I use this in my hair because my beautician or loctician, however you want to call it, recommended this for my hair because I colored it just to keep the damage at bay. This helps tremendously, and it makes my hair really soft, and I like that. This is what I use every 2 to 3 days. I put this in my hair. Now the best way to put this conditioner in your hair, you don't want to spray it directly to your roots. You want to spray it in your hand the same way I told you about the shampoo. Spray it in your hand, you know, rub it together and rub the product into your hair. So after completing all of that, when I'm getting ready to retwist my hair, what I do is put on this bag. Black castor oil by Jamaican Mango and Lime. I use this to retwist my hair. So I apply it to my roots only, and sometimes I use locking gel by the same company, and it's an amazing product. They have great products. You guys should just go check them out. I will have a link below on where you can purchase this item as well. So that wraps up my whole wash routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video if you like more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.